The past perfect. Continuous tense is used to describe ongoing actions or situations that were happening in the past before another action occurred. In social media language, this tense helps to share past moments that were in progress at a specific time in the past. Let's take a look at some examples to better understand how to use the past perfect continuous tense in social media communication. 1. I had been waiting for this concert for months, and when the day finally arrived, I was so excited. In this sentence, the speaker is describing an ongoing action of waiting in the past before the event happened. 2. She had been studying for hours when her friends called and asked her to join them for dinner. This sentence shows an action that was happening in the past before the friends called and interrupted the studying. 3. We had been working on our project all night long, and finally, we were able to submit it just in time. This example highlights the continuous nature of the action of working on the project in the past. 4. I had been dreaming of traveling to Greece for years, and last summer, my dream finally came true. Here, the speaker mentions a past action of dreaming about traveling to Greece before the dream was realized. 5. They had been saving money for a new car for months, and they finally had enough to make the purchase. This sentence showcases the ongoing action of saving money for a new car in the past. 6. He had been training for the marathon for weeks when he injured his knee and had to drop out. This example illustrates the action of training for the marathon that was happening in the past before the injury occurred. By using the past perfect continuous tense in social media language, you can effectively convey the ongoing nature of past actions or situations. It adds depth and context to your storytelling and helps your audience understand the timeline of events. Practice using this tense in your writing to share your past experiences more effectively on social media platforms.